I'm Farmer Meggie from Health Empowers, and today I'm going to show you how to plant cover crops. Cover crops? What's that? Well, a crop is just a type of plant that grows in a garden or a farm like this. And a cover crop is what farmers plant in the ground to cover up the soil at times when they're not using it, like for example in the winter when it's too cold. Clover and field peas are the two cover crops I'll be planting today. I chose these two cover crops because they add nutrients into the soil. When you grow a crop like oranges or carrots, the roots take up some of the nutrients from the soil and put them into that fruit or vegetable. That's what makes fruits and vegetables so healthy and nutritious. When we eat them, we get those nutrients into our body. So with cover crops, they add back in more nutrients into the soil so that next spring, when it's warm again, I can grow tons of new fruits and vegetables here. If we leave the soil uncovered and bare, like this, then weeds will just grow in its place. I'll start by watering my soil. If you have a big garden to water, try using a watering can or a hose. Field pea seeds should be planted about 1 inch deep. So I'll use my thumb to make a hole in the soil about 1 inch and then place a pea seed in each hole. Then I just cover them up with the soil, and that's it. In a couple of days, when your peas sprout and start to grow, they'll look like this, and eventually they'll grow pea pods. To plant the clover, I'll just broadcast it over the whole area. So taking a small handful of seeds like this, I'll just sprinkle it all over my wet soil. As long as it touches the soil, it can grow. When the clover seeds grow in a couple of weeks, they'll look like these, except for they'll also have red flowers because it's red clover. In the spring, when it gets warm again and I want to plant other crops like sweet potatoes or pumpkins, I'll just leave my cover crops there and plant around them, or I can till them under, which means to use the other soil to cover up the cover crops so that the nutrients stay in the ground. Also, if you really like peas, you can just pick those and eat them. Good luck with planting and growing your cover crops. And until next time, keep on growing.